everyone, I'm glad you enjoyed our videos last week. We're thinking of you lots. This week we're going to do some maths and we're looking at measurement following on from the website White Rose. First of all, we're going to do a little warm up. If you want to do this on your own, you can pause the screen now or you can do it along with me. Let's put our thinking caps on. Ready? Okay, counting in twos to begin with. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done if you got that correct. Moving on to the next one, counting in fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I put a few little tricky ones in there. Next one, counting in tens. Are you ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Well done. Okay, I've made a few mistakes counting in twos here. I wonder if you can spot the mistake. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, hold on a minute. I think I've got my place value a little bit mixed up here. Because if I think about my tens and my ones, I know the digit 12 only has one 10 and it has two ones. So well done if you've spotted that I have mixed up my place value. The final ones we are going to look at are symbols less than, greater than and equal to. 13 is the same as 31? I don't think so. I would like for you to have a go at working out the correct symbols for these numbers here. Okay, so now we're going to move on. We're going to be looking at measurement and we're going to be focusing on some mathematical vocabulary. We're looking at heavy, light, heavier, lighter, heaviest and lightest. To begin with, I've got these two words, light and heavy, and we're going to be sorting out some picture words. So I'm wondering if you can shout out either light or heavy as I show you the words. Are you ready? Bubbles. I hope you said light. A feather. Yeah, it's probably light. Bricks. Definitely heavy. A mouse. I'd probably say it's a little bit light. An elephant. Compared to the mouse, that is heavy. Balloons. Definitely light. The earth, obviously heavy. Cotton, bit of fabric, very light. Stone, heavy category. Last one, an enormous piano. It's definitely got to be heavy. Well done if you shouted out those words at the same time as me. Fantastic. Now, year one, we have done this before in class. I've got my friend Ginger along with me as well. We are going to be comparing the weight of objects which I have found in the classroom. I've got sellotape, my shaker, a ball, some scissors. Now I'm wondering whether you can do this activity with the things that you can find in your household too. All I'm going to do is just by looking at them and holding them in my hand, I'm going to compare the weight using my measurement vocabulary, such as the scissors weigh the same as the sellotape. They weigh roughly the same. But if I have an object like a timer compared to a pencil, I would say the timer is heavier than the pencil and the pencil is lighter than the timer. Your challenge, I would like for you to go around your household and see if you can, just by holding your items, can you compare the weight? But you've got to use our mathematical vocabulary. Heavy and light. Heavier, lighter, and the heaviest and the lightest. Now, and we've done this in our class in 1EW and 1TW, we're going to be comparing the mass using my cubes. So if I want to weigh, let's say for starters, my shaker, how many cubes do you think are going to weigh the same as my shaker. We're going to be estimating. That means you're going to have to make a good guess. I think 5 cubes are going to weigh the same as my shaker. Are we ready? Pop it in. I'm going to take my 5 cubes to begin with because that's my guess. I have a feeling. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe one more. 6. Oh, well done if you guessed 6. That was pretty close, wasn't it? So your challenge, I know you might not have scales at home, not many people do, but you might have weighing scales, kitchen scales, any type of scales, maybe even the scales that you weigh your bodies on at home. I'm wondering if you can weigh a few household items and record the weight to see which is the heaviest. Year 1, it's been so lovely. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.